Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to unbox the new Ledger Nano X to the Moon edition. So let's jump right in. Alright, so here's the ledger.com website where they announce the product. It's basically just a commemorative version of the Ledger Nano X. And if you have not picked up a Ledger Nano X yet, this is a great excuse to go out and get one. So let's open it up and see what's inside and talk about some of its features. All right, so here's our Ledger to the Moon box. Let's open it up. All right, so here's the new box, commemorative 5th anniversary, 5 years of Ledger. All right, I'm curious to see if there's anything cool inside, like a poster of some kind. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah. This is cool. Oh, yeah. It's like 3D. That's really cool. So, doesn't do it justice. Yeah. All right, and there we go. That's the To the Moon commemorative version of the Ledger Nano X. Very nice. Very nice indeed. You can see it opens out like this. Got the screen there. And everything else is pretty standard. All right. They give you 3 recovery sheets. That's cool. Some nice Ledger stickers. Some care instructions. I think this is fairly new. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, and there you have it. So as I said, it's a Ledger Nano X, which is the new version of the cryptocurrency hardware wallet by Ledger.com. It's got a bigger screen than the Ledger Nano S, and it holds more apps. It is also compatible with Bluetooth, so it's a much more versatile and powerful hardware wallet for all of your cryptocurrency. So best of luck to everybody out there. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me for my live Q&A live from Michigan, where I'll take questions and throw out answers as best I can. Hope to see you there. So the unboxing is only the beginning. If you need help setting up a ledger, restoring a ledger, configuring a ledger, please check out the following videos that I have linked here and continue your journey. Best of luck to everyone.